welcome back. This is going to be short and sweet as usual. I've been very fortunate to have great community support from you all, but also from other content creators. So I wanted to do this appreciation series as a small way to show my gratitude. Some of the creators are big time YouTubers that you may already know, but there may be a few in the mix that you haven't come across yet. So it will be my pleasure to introduce them to you. Okay, to kick off the series, the first creator I want to introduce is Mr. Michael Bowman, aka BYD over at Bermuda Grass Central. This guy is literally the hardest working creator that I have seen in the community. I don't know how he does it, but he brings a ton of information to the DIY community. Great product reviews, great general lawn tips. I mean, you don't have to have Bermuda grass in order to benefit from the information on his channel. He covers so much more than Bermuda grass. He has a lot of how-to videos. He keeps you updated on store deals related to lawn care. He does impromptu Instagram lives to answer questions and connect with the community. I mean, the information is just never ending. I think my favorite videos are the ones where he shows us the process of burning his Bermuda grass. That was just fascinating to me. And when I had him on the show as a guest, it was so much fun because he communicates so well with the audience and he is a funny guy. You know, BYD has been a huge supporter of my channel from the very beginning. He helped me with that final push to get to 1K subscribers, and I truly hope that everyone from that push is enjoying the content thus far. I really appreciate him for all of the advice and support that he gave me along the way. Just a great guy, a great channel. But don't take my word for it. Go on over there to Bermuda Grass Central and check him out. The link to his channel will be below in the description. Let him know that GirlzLawn sent you over there. Hey, thanks for stopping by to check out my video as I pay it forward to everyone who has supported the GirlzLawn channel and continue to support me. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.